Want to mute stories on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to mute stories on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. There are two ways through which you can mute stories. The first way is to tap and hold on a story that they have posted. Now tap on the mute button. Tap on the Mute Stories button. For the second way, go to their profile. Then tap on Following. Here you have Mute option. Click on it. Select Stories from the options. And that's how you can mute stories on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.